So I've got tomato soup and chicken tenders, bit of vinegar. Who doesn't like vinegar in their soup? I tell you what, especially in the chicken one, really hits. That's it. Don't even ask me why, but I really fancied chicken dipped in soup. I let them cool down. You know when you just... Do you know what? I've never actually done this. I was just like, I wonder what chicken soup and... I wonder what chicken and tomato soup... Because I felt like the tomato soup and then I was like... I don't really want bread with it, so I wonder what chicken we like. And here we are. What have you had for dinner today? Have something if you haven't had nothing. Something is better than nothing. Heinz creamy tomato soup, splash of vinegar. You know what I'm saying? Very rarely will I have this because it's boring. I've said before. Soup on its own is bloody boring. Soup with dipped in chicken, good stuff. I let them fucking cool down. Things just stay bloody hot. They finished about, because I was on the phone, they finished about 5 minutes before I plated this up. Granted, they stayed in the air fryer. The air fryer's on now because Ellie wants some wedges and mozzarella sticks, so she's what it is. What'd you do today? I went to the sunbed, walked the dog, went to M&S, got those fucking Easter eggs for like £18. I will be posting that. £18 each. Kill me now. Came home, did a lot of content, answered to a few work emails, and then met my friend for coffee in the beer garden. I would have had a beer, but you know, we had to get the kids. Went and got the kids. Went to how's the air fryer? Went to a friend's after school, so Tommy can play for an hour. Came back, went and had my Botox done. Sorted the kids, put Tommy to bed, eating this with you. Now Ellie's having something to eat. And then I'm finally going to sit down. Because it's 8:10. See? Like, this is where I get bored. Like, what am I supposed to do? It's just so boring, isn't it? Like, I'll drink it like that because the spoon is just going to take forever and I'll just get bored and then I'm like, done! Do you know what I mean? Like, it's not actually the thing, it's the fact that I'm doing that. No, bored, don't want to know. Fucking weird, aren't I? so much better. Anyway, I'm not going to bore you with that, so have a good evening.